Welcome to Geeks Problem of the Day. Today we're going to solve count possible ways to construct buildings. So here there's a road, okay, and there are n number of plots on either side of the road, and they are arranged in a straight line, but with a given caveat that you know no two buildings will be adjacent to each other, and they can be placed on the opposite sides of the road without being adjacent there also. So in the example, you can see if a star is used to represent a plot or space, and this pipe symbol is used for the road, then for n equals to 3, we can use space, 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 road, space, space, space. And in this star, you can even fill building, you can even fill, any space also, plot also. Cool. So this is modulo thing. We'll do it last. But for example, 1, see n is equals to 1 and output is 4. How come? See, there are four possible ways. This building, this what a road, and then a plot. Because in either side of the road, there can be no adjacent buildings, and similarly, not on the same side of the road. Okay, so you can see these two are mirror opposites, and this, there are opposite building, and here also there's an empty space on either side of the road. And for n equals to 3, this is 25. See, this question is quite vague, but the gist to solve this question is using Fibonacci. But unfortunately, in Python, GFG is throwing TLE, so I will use Python, use Fibonacci method also only, but with a little difference. So first of all, I will store the mod because you have to send the mod of the results. Then I will create two variables, previous and current, and initialize both with 1. Since obviously, generally Fibonacci starts with 0. First zeroth element is a 0 in Fibonacci, but here we cannot do 0 because nothing. There will be something building on the road or something, right? You cannot give 0. And for I in range and we don't start from second or third index. We'll start from very starting, okay, and we will swap both these previous and current variables. Rather than when we will add, but we will swap at the same time. So previous will equals to current, and current will point to what sum of both the variables. Here's the Fibonacci again mod, and at the end, if you can see, for n equals to 1, it is 4. For n equals to 3, it is 25. It indicates something. It tells us that we don't have to return the ith Fibonacci term. We have to return its square, right? Current is the ith Fibonacci term. Current square mod m. It should do a job. Let me submit it. Yeah, it does the job. See, in using this method, 2 pointers, it is taking quite less time. But when I was using DP, even at DP, it threw me TLE for last few test cases. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a nice day.